Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to go over how to rotate a video in Adobe Premiere Pro, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Jack.F and I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor, producing weekly content on videography and video editing and how you can take those skills to the next level. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, check out some of my other videos. And if you want to support the channel and help the production of future videos, go buy me a coffee, link in the description. The amount you donate is up to you. So, jumping straight into this, no waffling. How do we rotate a video inside of Adobe Premiere Pro? It's pretty simple. So if we jump over here to the computer, as we see here, we've got a picture of me joining the Peaky Blinders. Let's get rid of that. Now all you do is drag your video onto the timeline, select it, and you know you selected it because it's got a little white border around it. Come up to Effect Controls, and then as we see here we've got rotation. If you drag this to the right or left, you can rotate it. It's simple as simple does. So if you wanted to produce like a little video for social media, that's landscape. If you want to learn how to do an Instagram video, check that video up there. Go for all the basics on how to produce a video for Instagram, but that's beside the point. You can rotate a video anywhere you want. If you do want a full 360, you can do that. I know in some videos, in like commentary YouTube videos, is that they rotate the video for a couple of seconds. So if we select that there and we go up to like here and we do a full 180, during that length of time the video is gonna turn all the way around. And now I don't know about you, but that's no way to watch the Peaky Blinders. But yeah, that's just a quick little way on how to rotate video. I know this is quite a searched up subject on YouTube, so if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel, check out some of the videos. And if you learn the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro, if you want a playlist that goes over all of the basics so you can lay foundational knowledge of Adobe Premiere Pro. Maybe you're just new and you don't know how to rotate, you don't want to know how to rotate, if you don't even know how to cut and import your videos. Check that playlist up there, it goes over all of the basics, the custom playlist that I designed for you guys so you can learn the basics and stop being a beginner, because I know being a beginner sucks. So if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to support the creation of future content, go buy me a coffee, link in the description. Thanks for your time and I'll see you on the next video.